Hi students, after long back we are meeting today. Okay, today our class is going to start for 2021 to 22 academic year. So all the best dears, study well. Okay, today we are going to discuss about the equality. So what is meant by equality? Okay, so treating everyone we call it as equality. So nature has made many unequal in color, height, talent, physical strength, and the natural inequalities can never be rectified. Unnatural inequalities, because we are not similar to each other. So each and everyone's look is different. Okay. So and also they are based on inability. Everyone are different. So a man made inequalities on the basis of caste, money, religion, etc. can be rectified. This and all rectified one. Okay, whatever that is, caste, money, religion, etc. can be rectified one. Okay. So it is universally accepted. We have to rectify this one. This is universally accepted one. Okay. The people are different in their capacity, ability, attitude, etc. But at the same time, it is also accepted that they should be given equal opportunity for the development of their skills and talent. So some people, if you see, means some people are poor, some people are rich. So the difference between their capacity. So and also the ability, attitude also different from one to another. So if the difference will be there also, the opportunity to be given to them equally. Okay. So we have to develop their skills and talents. Equality is any individual or group that are not treated differently. That means they should not treat people are not should not treat in a different way. Okay. So based on race, gender, disability, religion, belief, sexual orientation, and age. Okay, we should not characterize. We have to protect them. According to Professor Lasky, equality does not mean identity or treatment, the sameness of reward. It means the first of all absence of social privilege, and the second it means that adequate opportunities are laid upon to all. What he says means equality is not in word. We have to treat everyone in equal manner. Okay. So we have to give the importance to the equality. Okay, in the social privilege, and everyone should get the adequate opportunity or laid upon to all. Okay. So equity is the powerful moral. It is one of the powerful moral and also the political idea that has inspired and guided human society for many centuries. So equality is guiding our humans in many centuries, that how to behave with each other. Okay. The concept of equality invokes the idea that the human beings have equal worth regardless of their caste, color, gender, race, and nationality. Caste. So we should not separate from the people high caste and low caste like that. Color also fair and black, gender male and female, race because we are from this community, they are from that community, or nationality, you are this country or that country. So like this, there is no any differentiation should come among the people. Okay. So the democratic ideas such as liberty, equality, etc. are meaningful and effective one. Okay. So implement the justice. When we implement effectively this one only, we will get the justice fair. Okay. So social equality. What is meant by social equality? Okay. So every citizen should enjoy the equal rights is called social equality. Okay. So that means the discrimination should not come, the differentiation should not come from the caste, creed, color and race. Okay, all should have equal opportunity to develop their personality to the complete the goals. Okay, next, civil equality. Okay, so that means enjoying the civil rights by the citizens, all are equally. Okay, so the right should not be different for the rich or poor, it should be same for all. Okay, not only for the caste or creed, should not be different for this one, it should be in a same manner. Okay, it should be give importance to all are equal. Okay, so equal rights should be available to all the persons and nobody should be denied enjoying of rights. Okay, so everyone should get the right, that means each and every individual man have to get the rights equal. Okay, so and they have to enjoy the rights. Okay, so this is the important one. All the democratic countries, including India, have guaranteed the political rights to all the citizens. Okay, so what are the political rights given to the citizens? Right to vote, right to hold public office, right to criticize the government. Okay, right to vote. Okay, we have the power to vote. Okay, so after the 18 years, every person have the right to vote. Okay, right to hold public office. We have given the right, has given the to hold the public office. Okay, for the welfare. Right to criticize the government. So if government does without favor of any person or people, so the opposition party or people can criticize the government. Okay, they have the power to criticize the government, what they are doing good or bad. Based on that, they have the power to criticize. So citizens should have equal opportunity also, not only in government job or participating in any civil rights and also the political life. Okay, so these rights can be enjoyed though the universal adult fantasy. That what is meant by universal adult fantasy? Okay, so universal adult fantasy means those who are completed the 18 years, the age 18 years, we call it as universal adult fantasy. That means nothing kana. The major, we saying, after completing the 18 years, we call it as major. Okay, in our country, that person is called as universal adult fantasy. That means they have the right to vote. Okay, 18 years should complete, not running. Okay, 18 years should complete. Okay, as a person who has completed the age of 25 years can contest on the election. Okay, they have the right to contest on the election also. Right to criticize the government is also very important right, and the people can express their that means what is they are thinking, they can express their views. Okay, so after 25 years we have seen that they can contest in election, they can come as a MLA. Okay, and the value of the vote of the prime minister and value of vote of the common man is general election is same. Okay, for the central election, the prime minister or a commissioner or a ordinary man, whatever it may be, they are equal in right before the election rights. Okay, so all are have the equal rights in voting for single vote. Next, general equality. So general equality, that means that we should not differentiate male and female. Okay, so we have to give equal to the all the genders. So all the human beings, both men and women, are free to develop their personal ability. Okay, So women were not given equal rights and they were considered as weak as compared to man. And okay, once upon a time women are not got don't have the right to vote also. Okay, so now it is not like that. So now they have given the equal right to the women. Okay, so they should not give women as a secondary position. Okay, so they should be treated equally. It does not mean that women and men have to become the same, but that their right, responsibility and opportunity will not depend on whether they are born male or female. Okay, so gender equality is very important. Whatever opportunities given to the men, the same opportunity also given to the women also. Okay, so they have the right to participate in the economical sphere and make the important decision. So they have the right to take the decision also. Okay, women's also their talent and also hard work have proved that their ability is not less than the men in any aspect. Nowadays if we see means in all the fields women are working and they are showing their talent also. Okay, so nowadays women are successfully working in many fields like border security force, Indian Air Force, etc. We can see women on all the fields they are working very well. Okay, for the uplift of women, 50% reservation has given for women in local bodies. Okay, in local bodies and all they have given the 50% to women to live their life. So UNICEF says gender equality means that women and men and girls and boys enjoy the same rights. Okay, and resources, opportunities and procreation. That means all the rights. Okay, it does not require that girl or boy or woman or men be same or that they are treated exactly alike. Okay, that means they should treated that means not that means they should treated equally, but that should it is not mean that treated exactly alike. Okay, so as of 2017, gender equality is fifth of 17 Sustainable Development Goals of United Nation. Okay, so human dignity. So for each and every person they have their own dignity. Okay, fundamental rights. Okay, that should not be denied. Okay, so every person should be honorable, noble and excellent. So every human being should be regarded as a very valuable member of the community. Okay, so if equal opportunity should given to the men and women for the education also. Okay, so in the education have similar opportunity to develop their personality. Okay, we need equality to get equal treatment in society. Okay, so the equal opportunity must be given to the both gender. Almost the constitution of all countries like the world guaranteed equality. Not only India, all the countries are guaranteed the equality. Okay, so it gives the equality to both gender. Okay, so citizens providing Article 14 to 18, all the citizens should treated as equal in employment, all the places wherever they are going or staying or working, surviving, all the places. Okay, wherever they are surviving, all the places they should give the equal rights. Okay, so how we can promote the equality? By okay, so treating all fairly. Okay, we have to treat everyone fairly. Creating an exclusive culture. Ensuring equal to access to opportunities. Enabling to develop full potential. That means with full potential we have to move on to the development without any gender differentiation. making laws and policies, and education is the main sources for promoting equality to all. Okay, next, from this we can know that the largest democratic country in the world, India is the largest democratic country in the world. Okay, so inequality and justice are the pillar of democracy. So these both equality and justice, so people treating people as equal and they are getting the rights as equal. Okay, yeah, that is called pillar of democracy. Justice can be achieved when people are treated equally. Okay, justice, that means we are get the clear judgment. That means true judgment when the people are treated equally. The equal only we are getting the true judgment. So equality is so important because it preserves the dignity of individuals. Okay, equality is an important principle for a society to function. Okay, to go for future development and also proper function. To country should work in a proper manner means it go on a proper manner means everyone should be treated in a equal condition. Okay, okay, Kana, that's all our equality lesson. So from this lesson I give you the notes, you have to study. Okay, so today this is the all the 1 marks you have to complete, and 2 marks I will give you the notes, you have to study that one. Okay, thank you girls.